you will need to search for a file or a script or a program in Kali Linux. How can we do that? There is 3 different ways for searching in Linux, and definitely you need to be aware of them before starting the penetration testing process. So the first way is a graphical way, the easy way. You click on the file manager, you go there and you search. So assume that I'm looking for a file called password, and the password file is written this way, passwd. So when I searched in the file manager, he didn't get me anything, because he only searched in the specific folder where you are located. Now I am inside my home folder, so he only gonna search inside home folder, while I know that the password file are in etc folder. So I can specify, or I have to specify the search location first. So if I go and click on other location and click computer, that means he gonna search in all those folder, right? And I go one more time, search, and I search for the file password, and he gonna get me all the file named password from different location. It could be a folder, it could be a file. And this is similar to Windows actually. I mean, in Windows, if you open the Explorer from here and you search, so assuming that I'm searching in my desktop and I type any file name, he will search only on the desktop. While if I click on this PC, for instance, if I click on any other location like this PC and I type a file name, he gonna search in all the drive, all the disk, and all the location. So it's the exact same concept in searching, that you have to specify the location. Then there is 2 different tools, 2 different commands that also will help you to search. The best one is called locate. So locate, and you type any file name and he will search in all the directory, and it doesn't matter where you are located, in which folder you are located, he will search everywhere. But before using locate, you need to type this command, update db. And this command actually, update. This command will build the database for file and directory. So before using locate, you just need to type this command, and you do that only one time. It's not like every time you are using locate you have to build the database for file and directory, local file and directory. No, it's done one time once you start using Kali Linux, and that's it. Now let's see, if I type locate, and before typing locate I can type this command pwd, which means print working directory. I mean where I am located right now. So the cursor, or I am located inside the root, under the main root, inside the root folder. So if I type here locate and the same file name, which is password, it's not like he will only search inside this root folder, he will search everywhere. So he search inside the root, he search inside the user share, he search inside the variable, he search everywhere, including the etc, and he gave me all the file under the same name. Could be the VNC password, it could be just password file, it could be, so he searched everywhere. So locate, the good advantage of using locate, that he's searching everywhere. The third, as you can see, the third command, or the second command, and the third way that I wanted to show you for searching is called find. So let me clear my screen and let me use the find. Find, it's a little bit aggressive. I mean, you have to specify the location, you have to specify the file name. So if I type find, okay, and I click on enter, he will search for everything. While if let me clear the screen one more time. If I type find and then I put the location, mean inside the root, inside the etc, then minus name. So I'm searching by file name and I type the file name, password. He will search only in the etc folder. So the output will be that I find 3 different files, password and password and password. One is inside this folder, subfolder, and one is inside the etc, the main folder, and so on. So the advantage of files that you can specify exactly what you are looking for and where. And I can use this white card character, so I can, for instance, search for any file that start with P, and I put the star. Star mean everything that start with P letter, and he will search for anything. Actually, I think we need to type like P A S. So I'm telling him I need to search for all the files that start with PAS. So you can use the sign as all. So find will give you option to specify what you are looking for. Locate are searching everywhere, and you have the graphical. Use whatever you are suitable, whatever is suitable for you, whatever you feel comfortable using it. But you're gonna see later on that we're gonna need to use those searching command from time to time.